Hey lovely peeps, this will be my first video since moving into our new house, so I've got to get my position happening and all that, but I'm just putting together a quick patty that I just love, and I thought it was worth just getting out the phone and giving you a quick show you through. It's as simple as a cup of crusts. These are sourdough crusts that I had left over. I've got clove of garlic, half an onion, and the magical flavour for this patty is my kaffir lime leaves, which I grow in my own backyard. So yes, I brought those with me. So I use about 3 or 4, depends how much flavour you like. And this is all going to be grated up together. So some mint leaves. This is going to be a bit of a slant, like a Vietnamese kind of a flavour. And yeah, the mince patties can be using any mince as well. So I'm just going to pop that all in together and give that a quick grate. Speed 6-ish for about 10 seconds. We just want to make sure that those lime leaves are nice and pulverised. That looks good. There's our flavour base right there. You should smell that. Awesome. All right, now I'm going to use some veggies. You can decide what you like. I basically throw in a couple of zucchinis and a carrot. I use as much veggie matter in this as I do the mince, so I'm just going to chop that down a little. Okay, veggies just grated in there as well. And the last few ingredients, which is some, it depends how hot you like it, you might want to take or leave. The chili, I've just used dry chili, you can use fresh. Going to have a teaspoon of salt before I forget that. And the next vital flavour component is some fish sauce. So that will complement the kaffir lime leaf and the mint. And look, you can pull the scales up, be a bit particular, but I just give it a good 5-6 splurts. And then I've got turkey mince to go in there today. You could use chicken or beef or lamb, whatever you like. And look, take or leave, I find the turkey mince is soft enough. So if you had normal mince, regular mince, you might want to use an egg. I'm just going to give that a mix and see how it comes out, if it's soft enough. It's about speed 4. Again, for not that long. Look at this, I've got some beautiful red vein lettuce that's going to go in my salad from the garden. Alright, so this is basically a mostly veggie patty, but they're great because you can roll those small if you want to make them into little meatballs and steam them in your varoma, or you can make them into like that size patty. You can make them into a rissole, and you can pop them just in the oven, in the fry pan, or if you like, I've just got some leftover bit of Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs from the last risotto balls I made. And there you have it. Smells great, and I can't wait for dinner.